Welcome back to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products in the three-rail O-Gauge hobby. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. On March 4th, 2026, Presidium Capital announced that the deal to purchase Lionel LLC was complete and the new Lionel Brands Group had been created. Richard Berry, CEO of Lionel Brands Group, said, quote, "Lionel is one of the most beloved and historic names in American collecting, with a history of craftsmanship that deserves thoughtful stewardship. We're proud to be custodians of this iconic, fan-first brand as we combine it with Round 2's fan-first portfolio to invest in new products, better storytelling, and more ways to show up for fans and collectors." Howard Hitchcock, President and Chief Operating Officer of Lionel Brands Group, added, quote, "Lionel has always been about that train under the tree magic, and that same spirit shows up everywhere the brand lives, from the rails to the racetrack. This next stop on the brand's journey will keep the heart of the brand intact and will put more support behind the people building it. We're going to protect what fans and collectors love and give them even more reasons to climb aboard for what's next." Menards, in recognition of America's 250th birthday, has released a Hail to the Chief Ronald Reagan home, a replica of the 40th president's boyhood home in Dixon, Illinois. The building is fully assembled and the base is decorated with grass and shrubs. The three-story home has a broad front porch with hanging flower baskets, patio furniture, a red carpet, a small mailbox mounted on the wall, and even President and Mrs. Reagan out front. The home has interior and exterior lighting that requires a 4.5-volt power supply. The structure is available now for $100 before rebates. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2026 Premier O-Scale flat car with 2 pup trailers in 6 different schemes this fall. Varieties include a Maryland and Pennsylvania flat with Hot Shoppers restaurant trailers, a Louisville and Nashville flat with Piggly Wiggly trailers, a Milwaukee Road flat car with Milwaukee Tools trailers, a Southern flat car with Granny's Possum Innards trailers, a Pittsburgh and Lake Erie flat with Clark Chewing Gum trailers, and a Baltimore and Ohio flat with Creek Chub Bait trailers. Each of these offerings will be produced in 2 unique car numbers and is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in December 2026. The suggested retail price is $99.95. MTH will also be producing 2 exclusive and limited edition flat car with pup trailer sets for Mr. Muffin's Trains. Varieties include a Chesapeake and Ohio flat in 2 road numbers with Estes Lines trailers, and a Nickel Plate Road flat in 2 road numbers with Studebaker trailers. The early order price for each variety is $89.96. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale Dash 8 diesel locomotive in Canadian National Blue Devil colors for Easy Catch, Dixie Union Station, and Old Engine House. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in late March 2026 in extremely limited quantities. The early order price is $649.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 36-foot wood-sided reefer in Esben Shade Turkey Farm colors for exclusive distribution by the Phoebe Snow Company. The cars will be produced in 2 car numbers in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in May 2026. The early order price is $89.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 36-foot wood-sided reefer in Luca Brasi Fish Market colors for Roundhouse South. The cars will be produced in 2 car numbers in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in May 2026. The early order price is $89.95. And if you're like me and you enjoy building and operating stationary live steam engines, check out the selection available from our friends at StirilingKit.com. Or check out their selection of other model kits, or even this cool steam locomotive humidifier diffuser with fire effects. Follow the link in the video description and use the promo code TOYTRAINTIPSAND for additional savings. Also remember to visit our online storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from some of the links in this video. What's New in O-Gauge is published every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and be sure to subscribe and click on the notifications to keep up with the most up-to-date information. Thanks for watching.